Here we have the vivo Y27. The design is outstanding. The box gives off a very social and premium vibe. Inside, there's a cardboard compartment and a jelly case. Vital information and the warranty card are also included. The USB-C cable is present, but the star of the show is the 44-watt flash charger. The way the light touches the back gives it a pleasingly sparkly look. I absolutely adore this premium feel. Upon first glance, you're greeted with a purplish gradient back design that screams premium flagship device. Their design, particularly in the entry-level and mid-range categories, is consistently impressive. They even feature golden rings around the camera, 2 big circles at the back, accompanied by the LED flash. It's noted as having an aspheric lens with high performance. The 50-megapixel AI camera is a minimalist beauty. The Vivo branding is subtly placed, representing this dark-colored variant. The matte finish adds to its charm, ensuring smudges and fingerprints don't show easily. The trendy box-type design features a flat back, flat sides, and curved corners. You'll find the power button, volume rockers, headphone jack, microphone, USB Type support, and the speaker. There's even a dual nano SIM card slot plus a micro SD card slot for expandability up to 1 terabyte. This is in addition to the 128 gigabytes of internal storage, a must-have this year. It's compact, comfortable to hold, and impressively thin at just 190 grams and 8.07 millimeters in thickness. Notably, the bezels are minimal, resulting in a remarkable screen-to-body ratio. The G85 gaming processor and the 50-megapixel AI camera elevate the experience. The device comes with 6 GB of RAM, extendable up to 12 GB using the extended RAM technique. Storage-wise, you've got 128 GB of RAM. Combine that with the design and you have a package that blows away the competition. The camera is where Vivo shines. The AI camera's performance is remarkable, especially in detecting and capturing scenes. The bokeh effect adds a dreamy background blur and the video quality is impressive. The camera management and beautification are top-notch. The AI camera proves its worth. It's a genuine improvement over its competition. The gaming experience is commendable with a benchmark score of 258,000 points. For Mobile Legends and similar games, you can enjoy smooth gameplay at 60 frames per second. The texture and high frame rates create a delightful gaming experience. The display's color accuracy is off the charts. Although it doesn't match a true AMOLED's contrast, for an LCD, it's top-notch. The experience starts with the display and design. Charging speed is the phone's standout feature, boasting 44-watt fast charging. From 0 to 100, the charging time is remarkably short. Available in 2 stunning colors, burgundy black and sea blue, the Vivo Y27 is set to redefine your smartphone experience. Get your Vivo Y27 now for only 8,999 pesos at Vivo's website, e-commerce platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok, as well as physical stores nationwide.